Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to add password protection to your Vimeo videos. This powerful tool gives you full control over your audience, which is vital for protecting private or premium material. By following this guide, your content will only be available to those who have the correct credentials. Let's begin. Start by visiting Vimeo.com and signing into your profile. If you're new, creating an account is a quick process. Once you are in, we can move forward. If your file isn't online yet, click the New Video button and pick the file you want to upload. Vimeo handles most formats easily. If the video is already there, navigate to your library where all your uploads are stored. Find and click on the specific video you want to secure. With the video open, locate the Share button usually found on the side menu. This opens up your visibility management tools. From there, head to the link privacy area. You will see several choices, but we are looking for the password setting. This prevents public access, restricting the view to authorized users only. Select Password and type in a strong code. It is best to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better safety. Enter your chosen password and confirm it to lock in the changes. Your video is now fully secured. Only people with your specific password can watch it, making it perfect for exclusive sharing. That is how you password protect content on Vimeo. Just remember to give the code to trusted viewers and update it occasionally for extra security. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more digital management advice.